Hey everybody, Glenn Hausman here of No Vacancy News, and I want an omelet. In fact, eating omelets is my favorite thing about staying at Embassy Suites. All right, Alan Roberts is my favorite thing about staying at Embassy Suites. But I decided that it's time to put our taste buds to where the Embassy Suites mouth is, right?
Alan Roberts not cooking the omelets when you stay at Embassy Suites.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to make some omelets, and we got Executive Chef Ken over here that is going to probably shame us both, but we're going to give it a try. Alan, let's make it happen.
Let's go. Don't forget your butter. Butter makes everything better.
Butter makes everything better. I feel very sorry for whoever the esteemed judges are that's going to be eating this today.
Take your Tums now.
One of the problems that I have with cooking omelets at home, Alan, is that I don't get great heat like this, right? So I'm always lacking a sense of confidence when it comes to it. But you seem like you've done this once or twice before.
I've done it a couple of times before. Actually, breakfast is kind of messing around with cooking. But it is a fine touch to be able to really do them well.
Yeah.
And I don't necessarily exhibit that.
Not including this one. Do you have a place that you find that they're better, or?
No, everybody is. It depends on the chef, right? What the chef puts into it. The personalities, in my opinion, are what make it better. Because it's basically, I eat the same kind. This is kind of my omelet when I'm on the road. But the personality makes it what it is. Because they get good at cooking omelets, and we got some great omelet chefs out there.
I'm amazed every single time I go to a hotel by how incredible they really are.
You loaded that up with it.
I did. So the one trick that I managed to figure out by going to Embassy Suites and watching them make omelets is this little move here, where you pick up the other egg and do it. But the thing that is really psychs me out is that I'm always worried about that flip part, because at home I don't think I have the right pans, or I'm not greasing them enough.
You know
so
what I find?
Yeah, so what's your secret to that?
So start with one end.
Right, I do that.
Lift it up. Now tilt it.
Yep. That much I could do. Keep going.
Yep.
All right, you better don't help me anymore. We're about ready for some cheese, but I would like to flip this first. That's my only fear.
Okay, remember, it's all on the wrist.
Yeah. All right, you ready? All right.
I'm looking up.
Let's just try to keep this rated PG.
I'm gonna get out of the way.
No, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey! Okay, so we've got Alan's, we've got mine, and we've got Chef Ken. We're going to take it over to the judges now and to see which omelet reigns supreme. I think I'm going to beat Ken. No, I don't. First up, we have Chef Alan.
Yeah, right. No. Sorry, guys. Here's my presentation of a veggie omelet for you guys. It didn't do so well on the flip over. It kind of got a little bit of a, what the chef call it, an omelet break there. But there you go, veggie omelet a la Alan.
And now I'm going to present mine omelets, and I dedicated the flip to you. Hey, enjoy. All right, Chef Ken, let's bring yours in over here. Point to the omelets for who's first place, second place, and third place, please. All right, shocker, Chef Ken wins. All right, but here's gets down to brass tacks. You won, but you don't win. All right, whose is it? Oh!
So
wow!
Presentation.
Oh, clearly. All right. So I've been shamed publicly here at the Embassy Suites, but you know what? That is the way it goes. We don't want to embarrass Alan Roberts, because he's the global head, and I'm just some schnook who can't cook an omelet. So for Glenn Hausman, Alan Roberts, and Chef Ken, thanks for watching No Vacancy News Omelet Cook-Off.
I'll pay them now.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. That was fun.